Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a NordVPN coupon code that saves your wallet, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share the latest NordVPN coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025 so you don't have to pay full price. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that keeps the most money in your wallet. NordVPN is one of the most reliable VPNs in the world, offering lightning fast servers, advanced threat protection, strong encryption, and the to unlock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing securely on public Wi Fi, NordVPN gives you peace of mind online. Here are the codes you can try. Wallet 83, save up to 83% off 2-year plans. Nord for free, get 4 months free on long term subscriptions. VPN 2025, flat 20% off for new users in 2025. Safe 15, extra 15% off annual plans. Bundle 30, 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your NordVPN plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the biggest discount, try another. One of these will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. NordVPN deals like this are designed to save your wallet, and they won't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start protecting your online privacy today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes and deals, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.